Okay. Yeah, just to the right of that big tree there. And I can catch some snow in the edges. We'll see what it looks like. Ah, it's pretty skied up. The middle would probably be the easiest. But I'm gonna hit this stuff right here. Ah! Woo! There you go. Nice turns, dude. Nice turns. That guy just did a mega air behind you. Huh?
You can jump right there?
He did a massive. All right, yeah, that was all GoPro. Woo! Nice, man. Have a good one. Let's see. Woo. Little jump, yeah. You want to try a coyote? I think it's open now. It's open, you want to? Okay. I like the visibility of the run we were on. You know, notice how you can see real good in there? We'll see what it's like over here. Yeah, don't fall off. Oh shit, I shouldn't have stopped.